Hey folks, I'm Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at these from Deerdance. They're only 12 watts, but they produce a lot of light thanks to the power of LEDs. So I actually took the opportunity and installed one upstairs, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. This is a 4-pack. They are suitable for wet environments, so you may want to put this in the garage or somewhere on a patio, something like that. They're ultra slim though, so that is the big selling point to me, that you can hide these just about anywhere, and the fact that they just clip right in, cut out the drywall, put them in, and you've got some fantastic lights that are flat to the surface. Easy installation and all sorts of things to tell you about, so let's kick it off right about now. So they're 6 inches wide, just a 1/4 of an inch or so thick, and they're absolutely amazing. They produce 1100 lumens, which is a tremendous amount of light. Like that's half of a headlight, like that's a significant amount of light. I'm talking a lot more lumens than you would get with a traditional standard bulb. You're gonna save a ton of money, 50% cost savings over a standard bulb. Probably more than that. You figure a 60-watt bulb versus 12. I mean, that's just a fraction, that's like a fifth. So they're energy saving, they're cost saving, they're dimmable, and they're fantastic. Now, easy installation, this just goes right up above them. And then if you open this part up here, let me see, just clip right up, and it'll have your positive, negative, and your ground wire that you just screw in. It also comes in with these, so you can easily screw them in. It took me about 50 seconds to install, to wire and everything like that, and then just cut out the hole and clip in. So let's see what else I can tell you about these. 50 to 60 hertz, 12 watt, 100 to 130 volts, IC rated, triac dimmable bulbs. They are super slim, CRI of RA greater than 80, dimmable. The beam angle is 110 degrees, power factor is greater than 0.9, and I'm cheating by looking at the box. Wet location, they're IP45, so they're pretty decent for water, as well as they have a 5-year span, folks. 5 years, you don't have to change them out. So that's absolutely amazing. We're talking about a 4-pack for a very reasonable price, and they do give you the little cutout to where you know the size of them, and you can figure out exactly how to cut. So there's a premium membership plan also, as well as easy care and a user manual for installation. Frankly, you can probably install these. Most people can install these without even looking at a user manual, but that's always a good thing to do as well. So the 4-pack is absolutely amazing. Big time cost savings. LED lights, super slim. Pick some up for yourself. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Get all 4, collect all 4, isn't that what they used to say? I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Thanks for watching. Pick some up today. You won't be disappointed. Adios, amigos.